All right, this is a quick tutorial of how to use Quill from the teacher side. Um, you should have been invited as a co-teacher on my class, and so you should be able to get into all of this just fine on your own Quill account if you have one, or if you make one. You'll see, whoops, not there. Um, if I go here, you'll see the activity that I have posted to the students. I'm posting them in packs. So they will get a whole pack of skills. Each one of these is going to take them probably about 10 minutes. So it should be plenty to keep them busy for the whole week. And then each week, I will post on their Google Classroom a new Quill activity. It'll show up right at the top of their Google Classroom that says Quill Writing Practice. I also have a video that I'm going to send you of the student-facing side with student instructions, just in case any student is confused about finding the Quill practice. So when you are running the office hours, the most helpful thing to you is going to be student reports and then activity summary. Everything else is pretty much going over what they got right and wrong, which truly doesn't matter to you when you are just running the office hours. On here, now I did the other video, the student-facing video from Anthony's account, which is why it shows Anthony has already started on here. It should show you if someone has a skill in progress. That means they've opened up the skill. Unfortunately, it doesn't show you if they're still active, because, for example, I already closed out of Anthony's account, and it's still saying that he's in progress. So it just shows you that they have opened it up and hopefully are working on it. If they pass a skill, it will become green. I am not even sure that they can get a yellow or red. It might be like as they're doing the skill, they might get yellow or red, because you really need a proficient score in order to get out of this skill. So once they finish a skill, it should come up as green on here, and that should let you know who is roughly on task and who might need a little bit of a nudge. I think that is all that you will need to know in order to run office hours. If there's anything else, please feel free to reach out, and I can see if there's any other way that we can be tracking that as we go.